today I have a special unboxing for you. So as you can see, this is my self-care Scribbler box unboxing. We're in the middle of a pandemic here, people. I have no motivation to do anything, so today is one of those days where I wanted to just take care of myself, and I was so excited to receive the Scribbler box. We're in a different location today because my home, my office is no longer my own at any given time. I have to share it with my family because we're social distancing, and hope you like it. If not, that's okay too. If you don't know what the Scribbler box is, it's a monthly subscription box for writers from writers. Lindsay Cummings and Victoria Scott created this box for writers. So we're gonna jump right in. So we have the box here. All around the box here is an actual short story that they wrote, which I think is so cool. And their little slogan here, and all of their socials. So let's dive in. Now the Scribbler box is one of my favorite subscription boxes. It's really the only box that I get because I always use most of the products and I'm always excited to. So inside the box here is all the squiggles, and we have a nice card right here. And this is the Scribbler writing contest. So it says, write a short scene or a bit of dialogue to make us LOL. Our favorite submission wins a bonus gift. Contest ends April 15th. So you fill in the writing prompt and you put it on your social and you have the possibility of winning something. How cool is that? Next up is some green apple hard candies. Oh, very cool. I really like this. They are fat-free and gluten-free. Now you can enjoy that old-fashioned apple flavor in a delicious hard candy. I love green apples. I don't really like any other kind of apple, so this is right up my alley. So next up, a lot of authors love writing and drafting with candles, so we have a drafting candle right here. It is from Novelly Yours Candles. Lemon and coffee and courage, made exclusively for the Scribbler box, and it is a 4-ounce soy candle. Now I do not have a very good sense of smell, so I cannot tell you what this smells like, but I'm sure it's great. Next up here we have a bookmark. It is Daria Jones' A Bad Day for Sunshine. So I'm assuming maybe this is the book in the box. We'll see. Yes, it is the author of this book, First Grave on the Right by Daria Jones. It seems like it's going to be a little bit of a paranormal. If you can see, we have a Sith right here, and on the back it says, this whole Grim Reaper thing should have come with a manual or a diagram of some kind. A flowchart would have been nice. And I love this. I love Reaper books. My first series was all about Reapers, so I love seeing all of the iterations of Reapers in novels. And this is about like a mass market paperback, and it's perfect for self-quarantine or staying from home, working from home, whatever. So I'm excited to dive into this. I've actually been in sort of a reading rut, so maybe I'll try this one next. So in every Scribbler box, there's always an invitation to an online chat, and it is exclusive for people who subscribed for that month. So this month is going to be Jane Dystel, I hope I'm saying that right, and she's a literary agent. How great. She is the president of Distel, Goderich, and Boret LLC and has been an agent since 1986. So they always have a special link on here for only subscribers. So if you're interested in one of these chats, then you have to subscribe, which I think is a great exclusive. Now, these chats do take place at a certain time, obviously, but they do have them up for about a month or so afterwards in case you missed it. So in every Scribbler box, we get a writing passport, and it looks like this month that we got two. One of them is humor and one of them is opening. So there's usually a little note from the people at Scribbler and then a section all about openings or humor from the author of the book. And now I'm just sort of remembering that there are two books this month, so that's why there's two passports. So I'm gonna save these for after I read my books. Also in every Scribbler box, there is a publishing inside look and also a spoiler card on the back for everything on the box. So this month we are looking at a revision letter from editor Jason Kirk, and it's for developmental edits, which is very cool. So this is for author David Sosnowski. I hope I'm saying that right. So I don't think I'm gonna look at this yet. I'm gonna see if it actually has to do with the book in the box because I don't want to spoil myself. Yes, so the second book in the box is Buzzkill. That's a pretty cool face. It's a pretty cool cover by David Sosnowski, and it looks to be, ooh, it's about a hacker. So it says 2 young hackers with the brains to save the world, or at least chance it. What can go wrong? So that is pretty cool. It's a pretty thick one. Again, for social distancing, get yourself a book. And the last item in this box is a little info card here. It's creating a character, and they have all different things you should consider about when you create your character. So that's a pretty cool graphic. I look forward to putting that on my corkboard. So I will list all the information about Scribbler, how much it is, and things like that on the screen, and also in the description box below. Because of the whole self-distancing and people shutting down, they will not be shipping for next month, April, but they are doing a digital box, which I think is very cool. So you can go onto their website. It's only, I believe it's $8. You get all of the publishing process stuff. You get the chat, and you also get an ebook as well. So I highly, highly recommend it, and I need to go wash this thing off. I hope you are staying healthy and safe, and I will see you very soon. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, do consider giving it a like. Hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it so you know the next time I post, and I'll see you soon.